Good morning. I'm here at the morning sunrise before I start work. We get to see all the seagulls. It's a very beautiful scene. I hope everybody's day is blessed and everybody has a good day. Me and Chong care for everybody and every human being. Even if we don't like you, we still care. Here's the big birds. Finally, we got good critters. Thank goodness. Alright, everyone have a good day. Here's the big birds. Finally, we got good critters. Thank goodness. Alright, everyone have a good day. Alright, here's all the beautiful seagulls up in a row. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. We're still journeying towards the back of the wooded area. We're still not seeing anything. Not even a bird. Maybe we came the wrong time. But it was so hot earlier. Well, these flowers are really pretty. They just kind of came about. I love how the way Chong looks against these flowers. Very pretty. Alright, there's like a ton of black birds on these trees. And they were right by the trees on my house. Maybe I'm dying later. I'm not even sure anymore. We'll see. If I wake up dead, I won't post. I'm joking. I'll be fine.